There are a number of techniques in regards to growing, both growing inside and outside. I will say, in regards to growing inside, one of the most common techniques that I've seen is people get a IKEA bookcase or some antique old piece of furniture, bookcase, armoire, something of that nature, and they grow their fruits and vegetables inside of that, or in some cases, they grow house plants inside of that. Some people say, well, I don't have enough lighting on coming through my house or coming through the window into my house, apartment, condo. You can buy what they call grow lights. And the grow lights are designed to supplement lighting in a specific space. So you get your bookcase, you get your grow light, and you get your fan, a small fan, just enough to circulate the air within that bookcase. And then you plant your tomatoes, you plant your herbs, you can plant strawberries, you can even plant lettuce and other leafy greens in that bookcase. And then periodically you water it as it needs to be watered, and you harvest the thing that grows. There are a number of videos on this topic. There are a number of blogs on this topic. So when people say, I can't grow anything indoors, I say, have you done the research? And this is me actually looking into how can I grow more food, not only grow food inside, but also grow food outside. Because the weather is something that we can't control, or at least we're going to stick to actual theories and not something that's made up. But if you were to have an indoor greenhouse, you can control that by a lot, and you can perfect that environment for a handful or a specific plant that you would enjoy to eat, whether it be fruit or vegetable. But I'm going to say this: the possibilities of being able to grow indoors is possible. You don't need sunlight, although sunlight is the best for a plant. You can supplement that with a grow light. You don't need dirt because we have aquaponics. If you have a fish tank, you can grow in what they call high aquaponics. There are a number of techniques and a number of ways to be able to grow fruits and vegetables. It just takes a little bit of research to be able to figure out which way works best for your setup, because I get it. Everybody doesn't have a yard, everybody doesn't have a lawn, and everybody's not capable or able to grow stuff outside like traditional gardening and farming techniques dictate. But we're past that. We have indoor techniques. We have even ways to grow food without using dirt or soil. I just ask you all do your research and start growing something. You ain't got to grow everything, but start with something.